lifestyle medium natural hair after stretching it for after 1 day of wash day. So I put in this simple cotton threads so that we can stretch our hair. Like I have done quite a number of videos on how you can stretch your natural hair. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that we can check them out. So now we are just removing the thread so that we can style our hair. So if you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now to my 140 subscribers. Thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. And to my viewers, I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. So on this channel, I upload videos every day, and I share DIY crafts like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, and how you can flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to formulate your own products at home. And sometimes we go an extra mile on how you can like formulate a commercial product. So at this point, like I'm almost done. And then once I'm done, I'm going to separate my hair just using my hands, and then I'll go in with a wide tooth comb to separate the lines or to kill the lines, if that makes sense. Yes, so now I'm getting this our oil. Actually, I'm using fenugreek oil. I have a video on how you can make this oil. I'll link the video in the description box below so that we can check it out. So I'm just lathering it throughout my hair strands. You know, I love doing this because it helps, like when of course all don't moisturize your hair, but it helps like your fingers to glide so that you don't have any snags as you separate your hair. So I'll continue separating my hair. Then after that, I'll go in with a wide tooth comb. So like I've done quite a number of videos. You can check the videos that we have done, or I'll link most of them in the description box below so that you can check them out. Yes, treatments and DIY, you know, even facial products. Yes, so that you can try them at home. And if you have any suggestion, you can kindly comment in the section below. So now we are going in with a wide tooth comb. Yes, so like don't use a rattle comb, you know, when combing, those combs which have smaller edges, they're not good for you. So a wide tooth comb actually will prevent breakage. Like after I'm done, I'm going to show you like I didn't have any, you know, breakage or any hair on the comb. So like you have to be very gentle when doing this. Yeah, so the reason why like I'm combing, of course, I'm combing when my hair is moisturized. So if your hair is dry, you don't have to comb like this. You have to apply some kind of moisture before you comb out your hair, because it's been 1 day after wash day, so our hair is so soft. Yes, so look at that. There are no hairs as you can see. Yes, like nothing as you can see. Yes, so now at this point, I'm going to use a rattle comb. So I'm going to do this simple hairstyle, you know, low manipulation hairstyle, which does not wreak havoc on your edges. So now I'm just making a part in front, like not really at the middle, but above our head, like that. And I'm trying as much as possible to make the line straight. So like once I'm done, or once you are satisfied with the making a part, so I'm just making sure that the part is so neat. Yes, and some naturals like go in with some gel or styling gel, but I'm not going to do that. So now I'm just putting this section away so that we are not disturbed. So I'm using some clippers just to section that section away, like so. And then I'm going to start braiding. So that is how the back looks like. Yes, so now I'm going to like do small flats on the side. So now I'm making a part here, like so. So today I'm so happy, like we are quite precise with the lines. Have you seen, friends? So now I'm just like separating our hair and like comb it, finger comb a bit so that we can start, you know, braiding this section. So I'm going to do a flat twist. So like I've been mentioning, if you've been long on this channel, like I never used to know how to braid my hair. but I had to learn through YouTube tutorials, and I don't go to salons. Like, I take care of my own natural hair. So once I reach the end, like, I'm going to use a thread, because I want this section like to will bring it to the back so that it comes together with the other hair. So I'm getting just a small thread like so, and then I'm going to continue twisting so that this section can be actually long for it to reach the back. So continue twisting. Like, you don't need a bigger thread, just a small thread which can accommodate the small section which you have done. Because if you go in with a bigger one, like, it will wear down your hair, and that is not good. So once I'm done, I'm going to like twist, and then I'll tie the last end like so. So that is how it looks like. And then we are doing the other side. So on the other side, I'm going to do the same as I did on the first side. So on the front, I'm going to just like do twist without adding any hair, like simple twist like so. So we'll do about 4 twists there or 5, and then I'm going to clip all of them. So I'm done braiding the front. So that is how it looks like. And then we are going to the back of our hair. So at the back, we are going to do the same twists, big twists, simple ones. Yes. So now I'm going to separate into 2 sections, and then I'm going to do about 4 twists. that is how the back looks like. You know, like I feel happy because this simple protective hairstyle is actually coming up together. So I love low manipulation hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on our hair. So we are going to use some bobby pins. We're just going to use two. So I'm gathering the front together and twist it and then tuck it in, and then I'm getting a bobby pin and then I'll pin that section. So once we are done like pinning the front, we'll go to the back. So that is how it looks like. I'm loving this hairstyle, friends. So now at the back, we are going to gather all the braids together and then we are going to twist and pin them down. So actually at this point we are almost done. So that is how the back looks like. Yes, I love this hairstyle, friends. I'm loving it. Look at that. It's so beautiful and simple. Something you can do within a short possible time without you know, wreaking havoc on your edges. So if you're trying out you know, growing your hair, actually you can use this low manipulation hairstyle. Yes, so you know what? I'm trying to grow out my hair and prayer has been one of my priorities. So now I'm going to use our Isoplus. You can leave it just the way it is or style it. So I'm using Isoplus edge holding gel. Actually, I did a review on this gel. Like, I really love it. It's a gel you can use on the go without putting on a scarf. Like, on the go, you are ready to go and you won't have any residue. So I'll link that video in the description box below so that you can check it out. So I'm just lathering throughout with our hands. I'm not going to use any brushes and I'm not being dramatic here. So all I want is my hair to be laid. At this point, I'm super excited, friends, because you know what? We are done. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. So that is how it looks like. I love it. Comment in the section below if you style your own natural hair or if you use low manipulation hairstyles, or if you love this hairstyle. You can kindly comment in the section below and give me a like. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. God bless you. Yes, so now, like, I'm just showing you how it looks like.